Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making a Funfetti cake. So, let's take a break and bake. If you enjoy baking and decorating delicious treats, please subscribe to my channel. Every Wednesday I upload a video where I'm baking something new or teach you guys a fun way to decorate a treat. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with all your friends, and comment down below on another treat that you'd like me to make. And also comment down below some Q&A questions. In the new year, I'm hoping to make a Q&A and challenge video. So down below in the comments, leave some Q&A questions and some challenge ideas that you have. FYI, I won't be uploading for another 2 weeks, so there won't be a video next week and there won't be a video in the first week of January, just because it's Christmas time to celebrate with our families. Okay, so like I said in the intro, today we are making a Funfetti cake. This was actually a cake that was requested by one of you guys, so thank you so much for this request. I'm so glad I'm able to fulfill these requests that you have, so keep leaving them down below in the comments. This isn't just any normal Funfetti cake. This is a celebration Funfetti cake. And what are we celebrating, you may ask? We're celebrating our new kitchen. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, what new kitchen? We're in the same place. We now have everything set up in this kitchen and all the tools that we need to bake delicious treats. So I thought now it's time to make the celebration cake. Now let's bake this Funfetti cake. The ingredients you need are 3 cups of flour, 2 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 1/2 cups of butter, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 1 1/4 cup of sprinkles, 4 egg whites, 3 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. For decoration you need lots of vanilla buttercream and fondant in many different colors. The first step to making this delicious Funfetti cake, get a large bowl, put your butter and sugar into it. Now you're gonna mix that all together for about 2 minutes until it's all light and fluffy. Now take your egg whites and vanilla and mix for just 1 minute. Your wet mixture is gonna look a little curdled, but that's okay. Okay, so we mixed all our wet ingredients together. They're just right here behind me. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. So just keep your flour in the bowl that it's already in, add your baking powder and baking soda, then just mix it up real well until everything's thoroughly combined. Now that all the dry ingredients are mixed into this bowl, we're gonna go ahead and start adding our wet ingredients and dry ingredients together. It's time to mix it up. So you're gonna add 1/3 of your dry ingredients into the batter and mix it up. Then you're gonna add 1/2 of your milk. Then you're gonna mix that all together. Add another 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix that all together. Add the rest of your milk and mix that up. Then add the last 1/3 of your dry ingredients and mix it up for the final time. We're almost done mixing everything together in this giant bowl. But right now, this is just a plain old vanilla cake. We need to add some fun into this cake to make it a Funfetti cake. So just mix in all your sprinkles by hand and don't use a mixer because you might break them up and you don't want to do that. After we mix in all the sprinkles into here, we're going to be putting them into a round circular pan. You're going to bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. While our 10-inch round cakes are in the oven baking, I'm going to go ahead and bake some smaller cakes with the same recipe so that we can have a second tier on our cake. Our cakes are out of the oven and now it's time to start decorating them. We're first going to work on the bottom tier. So now take one of your larger cakes and set it onto a cake board. And then spread a little bit of buttercream on top of that cake and set the second large cake on top of that. Put a little bit more buttercream on top of the second cake. And then finally put your third cake on. Now go ahead and do a crumb coat around the sides and on top. And then we're going to do the exact same thing with the smaller cakes. Alright, so we have our crumb coat on and it's now done setting. So now we're going to go over it again with some more buttercream to give it the final layer for it to be nice and smooth. After that, we're going to actually put our second tier on top of our first tier with using some of these dowels. There wasn't much footage of me decorating this. I was having a little bit of troubles decorating it and getting it to stack up right because the buttercream here is a little different. And this is one of my first times making a cake like this. So I asked my mom to help and we decided that making this wavy effect on the cake so that the cake would still look good. But now it's time to start decorating a baking and buttercream flag, so let's just stick that right on top. Even though this cake looks so good, I know it tastes so much better. Just look at the cake for a little bit. There's there's a little KitchenAid and a flour bag, and these are all the things we use in all of our videos, and this cake is just to celebrate that. Also, before I eat this cake, I just want to say thank you to the person who requested it. Her name's Lydia. She's a great friend of mine, and it's her birthday in a couple days from now, and I just want to say happy birthday, and thanks for requesting this video. And now, it's time for the taste test. This is such a great cake recipe, and it tastes so good. The best part about this cake recipe is if you don't want it to be a funfetti cake, just don't add the sprinkles and you still have a delicious vanilla cake. This cake kind of looks like it has fruity pebbles in it. Thank you so much for watching this video of baking and buttercream. I'm so glad I was able to make this requested video for you guys. If you like this video, please comment down below on another dessert that you'd like me to make, or comment down challenge video ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please like it down below as well when you're commenting on another sweet treat. And if you're already down there, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that giant red icon and hit the little bell icon to get notified when I upload. And don't forget to check out the description box as well. I have a store link that you can go down there and get some of the things I used in this video, like the cake pans. Or you can go to my website, contact me, or watch my videos there as well. There's a couple more links down there as well to my social medias. If you have a Facebook or Instagram, go click those links and follow Baking and Buttercream there. Alright guys, click one of these videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy from your watch history. I think you'll like this one. And hit this little icon somewhere over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day and enjoy your Christmas break.